There it is.
Raymond has arrived. It's just in time I got here. I sure, Lord looks after my old hateful ass, I tell you. I ain't been here long. And the rain has begun. Just wanted to share that with y'all. I'm drinking me the last of my coffee from this morning. Poured what was left in my coffee bottle. Brought it with me because I like coffee, as y'all well know. Coffee's good for you. Yeah, it's a sprinkling out here. I'm on the front porch listening at them red birds. Yeah, that's all red birds. I just got through putting some chops out. Across the old trail from the Hooch over there. Well, I got them limbs piled up. I feed them in there so the hawks can't get them. I feed them up underneath there in that thicket. So they got, it's just hard for hawks to get to them. And I feed them over there in that little thicket right there. That little green thicket. Right there. I'm supposed to